respects, do you know who this is?
No, who is this is?
Hello and welcome to Trade Without Emotion. Today we're going to take a look at LDK. LDK Solar Company trading on the New York Stock Exchange for November 13th, 2008. Before we continue on to the technicals, I do want to point out one thing about a solar company. With the election of the Obama administration, we have a guaranteed promise that his administration is going to spend $150 billion over the next 10 years in alternative energy, so this is a definite sector that I've been paying attention to. Today the market was up considerably, finally I'd like to say, over 500 points, and LDK closed up 9%, just over 9%. So let's take a look at the candle formations and some support and resistance areas. As you can see, we have some well-defined areas on this chart. In terms of resistance, here at 25, 25.50, between 24.50 to 25.50, we've got a nice resistance area that formed up here using these plot points back here and this one shooting star we had right here. This defines a nice resistance zone, so we'll be looking to take some of our profits in this area if we decide to trade this channel. Looking down here at $13, of course we've got great support in this area. We've got another $13 area, and today we formed the infamous hammer candle, and I say infamous and I use it lightly because this is a candle situation that I just love. It's indicative of a bottom, and basically I'm just going to describe a little bit about it. What it does is, as you can see right here, we closed yesterday and we opened all the way up here. However, during the day as the market soured, we continued to sell off all the way down to $12.40. However, the bulls came in and the buyers came in and pushed this thing right back up. This thing's a clear bottom reversal indicator, and with this type of volume that we had today that matched yesterday's, we're looking for something to turn around here. So let's move on down and take a look at some of the indicators, which aren't going to be too great when we're dealing with a bottom reversal, but I just want to point out our MACD is, the histogram is heading down. It's almost in a position where it's going to cross over, but I bet you with today's action in a couple more days we're going to get a bounce off the red line and continue its way back up. Looking at the full stochastic, we see that we're down in bottom area. It looks like it might have a little more to go. However, it could turn quite quickly. Our money flow index is definitely oversold, particularly in the short-term run. The orange line represents the 7-day period, and it is definitely oversold, and money is going to start flowing back into this thing and pushing it back up. I'd like to point out that our RSIs are all in oversold position. The RSI 14 is just kind of hanging out around 37. The 2 and 5 are really oversold, and they crossed the buy line today. So this stock is definitely in play for Friday and Monday. We'd like to see what happens. Anyhow, if you have any questions about this stock, contact us at the website. I definitely like this trading channel that's developed between 25.50 and 13, and there could be some good profit potential made in this area. So, trade without emotion and enjoy the rest of the website. Thanks.